Hi girlfriends, the Hello Gorgeous palette collection is truly the only product you'll need to look fabulous day and night. The collection includes 2 palettes, complete for face and eyes. 22 soft, creamy products in this collection. The eyeshadow palette has 8 pearl shadows and 8 matte shadows in shades that are usable and that will become your favorites. I know they are mine. The shadows are arranged from light to dark and allow you to easily achieve flawless eye looks that can go from day into evening. The how-to application card is going to take you step by step on just how to get the right look for all of it, even your day into night eyes. The Sculpt, Shape, and Glow, it's a wardrobe of cream and powder for your face. They feature our neutralizing cream, our neutralizing powder, our beautiful illuminating cream, and a gorgeous corresponding powder, and a cream blush with your powder cheek blush, all corresponding to take the guesswork out of setting and forgetting it. And for my on-the-go girlfriends, you're going to love how easy it is to carry it in this system. I also love the 2 large size mirrors so that you can look flawless wherever you are, anytime, day or night, and you're going to love the ease and use of our YBF paraben-free formulas that'll keep you looking fresh, fabulous, and healthy, and that's a promise.